When it comes to securing your home, your doors play a critical role. Not only do they provide an entryway, but they also serve as a primary line of defense against burglars and intruders. For homeowners in Laurel, ensuring that your doors are installed properly is essential to maintaining the security of your home. While DIY projects might seem tempting, professional door installation is the best way to ensure that your doors are providing maximum protection. In this article, we will explore why professional door installation in Laurel is vital for home security, and how it can help you protect your family and property. Expert installation for maximum security. The most important reason to choose professional door installation is that experts ensure your doors are installed to the highest standards. A poorly installed door, no matter how strong or secure, is vulnerable to easy break-ins. Even small gaps or improperly sealed frames can make it easier for intruders to force their way inside. Proper fit and alignment. A professional installer makes sure that your door fits perfectly within its frame, ensuring there are no gaps where an intruder can pry it open. The door frame will be securely attached to your home's structure, reducing the chances of the door being easily removed or broken. Secure locking systems. Professionals ensure that your door is fitted with the most secure locks and reinforced frames. They will install high-quality deadbolts, multi-point locking systems, or smart locks, all of which are key to keeping intruders out. Professional installation is the foundation of a secure door, ensuring that every part is in perfect working order to protect your home. Enhanced durability with quality material. Another significant advantage of professional door installation is the access to high-quality materials. While you may be tempted to purchase a door and try installing it yourself, using the right materials is essential for security. Impact-resistant materials. Professional installers can recommend and provide impact-resistant doors that offer added protection. Whether it's fiberglass, steel, or solid wood, these materials are stronger and less prone to damage than standard doors. Steel doors, for instance, are virtually impossible to break down, providing a level of security that standard wooden doors simply can't match. Weather protection. Many professional installation services in Laurel offer doors that are designed to protect against the harsh local weather, including strong winds, heavy rain, and fluctuating temperatures. Not only will these doors improve your security, but they will also protect against weather damage and help improve the overall energy efficiency of your home. By investing in high-quality materials with professional guidance, your home security will be significantly strengthened. Proper sealing and insulation. A properly installed door doesn't just improve security, it also helps keep your home more comfortable. Gaps, leaks, or improper sealing around the door can lead to drafts, increased energy costs, and even reduce the door's effectiveness at keeping intruders out. Tighter seals. Professional installers will ensure that the door is sealed properly, preventing drafts and cold air from entering your home. A well-sealed door doesn't just keep the outside elements at bay, it also contributes to better home security by keeping the door frame tight and strong. Increased protection against weather and intruders. When a door is properly sealed and insulated, it's harder for intruders to exploit any weaknesses or gaps. added insulation doesn't just make your home more comfortable, it adds an extra layer of protection against forced entry. Improved security features. When you choose professional door installation in Laurel, you are not just upgrading the physical door itself, but also adding modern security features designed to keep your home safe. Smart locks and security systems. Professionals can help integrate your new doors with the latest smart locks or home security systems, giving you remote access to control and monitor your door's security. With features like keyless entry, video surveillance integration, and alerts for suspicious activity, you gain peace of mind knowing your home is always secure. Reinforced frames and glass. If you have windows in your doors, professionals will ensure that these are made from shatter-resistant glass or reinforced glass that can withstand impact and deter burglars. These types of glass are specifically designed to prevent breaking, adding another layer of protection to your home. Long-term cost saving. While professional door installation may seem like an added expense initially, it can save you money in the long run by avoiding costly repairs or replacements. A well-installed door that's secured properly will last longer and require fewer repairs than a poorly installed one. Moreover, you won't need to replace the door as frequently due to damage caused by wear and tear or break-ins. Prevents future security issues. Proper installation ensures that your door's locking system and frame remain intact, preventing the need for frequent repairs or upgrades. This long-term security also helps reduce the likelihood of break-in, which could otherwise lead to costly damages and lost valuables. Protects your investment. A solid door installed by professionals adds value to your home. It not only boosts curb appeal but also improves the overall safety of your property, which is an attractive selling point if you ever decide to move. Conclusion. Professional door installation in Laurel is essential for ensuring that your home remains secure, comfortable, and well protected. By hiring experts to install high-quality doors, you can rest easy knowing that your doors will be fitted correctly, provide maximum security, and feature advanced locking systems. From reinforced materials to proper insulation and advanced security features, the benefits of professional door installation are clear. Investing in the right door installation isn't just about enhancing your home's appearance, it's about safeguarding your family, belongings, and peace of mind. With the proper installation, your doors will provide the protection and security your home needs, keeping your family safe for years to come.